Hey everyone, want to sync Webflow forms with Airtable? Then I'll show you how to do it using Zapier. Let's get into it. So create a Webflow form. Then head over to Zapier and create a new Zap. Select Webflow form submission as your trigger. And for the action, you can choose Airtable and select Create Record. Map the fields. Connect your Webflow form fields like name, email, etc. to Airtable fields. Alright, test your Zap to ensure everything's working fine. And there you have it. Your Webflow form now syncs with Airtable. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.